Have you ever been in a situation where you just feel like you want to give up, but there's just something inside of you that's not letting you give up and it's helping you to not give up? That's determination. Today I'll be discussing the topic of determination. Determination is something that's very important in almost all aspects in life. I'll be speaking on this topic based on my own experiences. In discussing determination, I'll discuss what it means to me, where I learned to be determined, and how I apply it in my life. First, what determination means to me. Determination to me is the focus one has or that inner push that one has to help you accomplish what you want to. It's that drive you have. No matter what goes in the way, you will be able to do it. For example, when I came into college, it was a huge transition from high school to college because it was super different. It was more work, especially homework, and I wasn't too used to that. So I was overwhelmed, I was stressed, and I felt like I was going to give up because of the amount of work I was given. But I knew I had the determination to do it because I finished high school and I knew I was in college for a reason. And because of that, I finished my homework even to this day before the due date and try my best to do the best I can. Now that I discuss what determination means to me, I'll discuss where I learned determination. Growing up, determination has been all around me. My family are very determined people, especially my sister. For example, when it came to starting her business, she was very iffy at first because she had to take a course, practice, find a place. She just felt overwhelmed with all the things she had to do, and she felt like people weren't gonna go and want her to do the service she does. She does ombre brows, which is kind of like tattooing the eyebrows. It is a passion of hers, but she just felt like people weren't going to go to her, and a lot of people were actually doubting her, so she was very iffy. However, there was that determination inside of her that helped her gain that confidence and took the course, practiced, and found a beautiful place. And because she did all that, she now has a successful business called Bella Beauty Inc. and now has hundreds of happy clients and is blossoming and blooming every day. Now that I discussed what determination means to me and where I learned to be determined, I'm going to talk about where I apply it in my life. Lastly, I applied determination in my life. Getting into college was my main thing. I was determined to go into college. When I was in high school, I was always told that the class of 2019 was one of the most competitive classes, but I was still determined to do the best I can by taking as many extracurricular activities like clubs, sports, and do many other things like helping out the city to try to make myself look good to a college because I at least wanted to get into one. I was determined to get into at least one college. And because of all my hard work and my determination to get good grades and try to look good, I did get into colleges and now I'm here at Cal State San Bernardino. Now that in conclusion, I I discussed what determination means to me, where I learned to be determined, and where I apply determination in my life. Now I'm going to leave you guys off with a quote by the inventor, Thomas Edison. He states, "Our greatest weakness lies in the giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try one more time." Thank you all for listening to my speech.